Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Talk. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 2 weeks since the last video, so we are due for an update. We're going to talk about the companies that recently reported in the highlights section, followed by the US and the Canadian market report. We start with the highlights. We start with Adobe. They reported a 10% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $443, but they're trading a bit higher than that. The AI company C3 AI reported an 11% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $22, but they also trade a bit higher than that. Asana reported a 20% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them remains the same at $24, and there is an upside for Asana. Docusign reported 11% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been lowered to $53, and they're trading around that level at the moment. All right, let's look at some other companies that reported. Oracle reported 9% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $113, and they're trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. All right, so let's look at some Canadian companies. BRP reported 14% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been lowered to $109 Canadian, and they're trading around that level. Kinaxis reported a 35% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $186 Canadian, so there is an upside for them. Waste Connection reported a 15% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $215 Canadian. There is also an upside for Waste Connection. All right, that's the highlights for this time around. We're gonna go into the regular reporting, but before doing that, I wanna mention about a free app that can take your investing game to the next level. It's called Momo. It's funded by a NASDAQ-listed fintech with over 20 million users worldwide. So Momo provides US stock level 2 quotes, visualized data, over 100 indicators, and they have other analyzing tools, and it's all for free. What I also like about it, it's available on desktop, mobile, and tablets. I have a link in the show notes where you can click and sign up for free. Check it out. All right, now we go to the regular reporting. We go to the US market. We start with the value stocks there. Exxon is number 1. Taiwan Semiconductors newcomer spot number 2. They have a $461 billion market cap and a PE less than 16. JP Morgan drops down to spot number 3, and Tencent, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Here we are looking at high market cap companies with low price to earnings. Those kind of stable companies you can consider for your portfolio. Dividends could also be good in your portfolio. Verizon is number 1, AT&T is number 2, and 3M is number 3. Growth stocks to consider. Here, this is sales growth compared with stock price growth. So if the stock price is growing too much, it will be pricey. If the sales are growing faster than the price, it will be in this list. So this is the more attractive ones if you wish. So Rivian is here, spot number 1, ZoomInfo, spot number 2, and Li Auto is re-entering the list on spot number 3. Their sales growth was 203%, while the stock price during the same time period, plus today's date of reporting, has been 21%. NextEra Energy, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Now, the bottom of the same list is the pricey ones, meaning that the price is growing faster than the sales, or the sales are declining very much. So Micron is there, spot number 1. Xpeng is number 2, and we have a newcomer, Moderna, spot number 3, where the sales declined 93%. Mainly, I guess the COVID sales are down, and the stock price has been going down also 27% during the same time period. Fastly, who was in the list, is out from top 3. All right, that was the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market, and we start with the value stocks there. Royal Bank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and Canadian Natural Resources is number 3. Dividends in the Canadian market, Tourmaline Oil is number 1, TransAlta Renewables is number 2, and Enbridge is number 3. Growth stocks in the Canadian market, Nuvei moves up to spot number 1, RB Global moves down to spot number 2, they trade places. TELUS International is also in spot number 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market. Great West Lifeco is spot number 1. Cenovus Energy is spot number 2. And we have a newcomer, Meg Energy, on spot number 3. They had the sales decline of 18% year over year, while the stock price was up 45%. Onyx, who was in the top 3, is out from top 3. Alright, this concludes the report for this time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video, hopefully in 2 weeks' time. In 2 weeks' time also we will analyze Q3. Q3 is coming to an end of September, and so we can see the different indexes, how they have performed. Alright, meanwhile you can follow me on X or Twitter. NextStockYT is the handle, and I will post whenever there is something important happening in some of those stocks. Also gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stocks. Why not sign up for Momo and get your information from them? Alright, check out the show notes and click and sign up. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.